Good morning students. Now let's continue exercise 2.4. Now here I have already told you in the theory classes regarding division. We just solved exercise 2.4. Now first main, find. Now first one, 12 divided by 3 by 4, that is equal to 12. Divided means what did I tell? Multiplication. Here 3 by 4, how we have to write? We have to write reciprocal of 3 by 4. It becomes 4 by 3, that is equal to 12 into 4, how much? 48 divided by 3. See, now 48 divided by 3. 3 ones, 3 16s. Yeah, so answer is 16. Now second one, 14 divided by 5 6. You can do it as a homework. Third one also you can do. Fourth also you can do. Fifth one I will just explain how to go about. Then you can do sixth also homework. 3 divided by 2, 1 by 3, that is equal to 3. Division means how much? Into. If you are getting here mixed fraction, then how you can do? 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 divided by 3. 7 into 3, how much? 21. Divided by 3. 3 ones, 3 sevens. So answer is 7. Did you understand? So remaining one, in the first main you can do it as a homework. Now let us take second main. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals and proper fractions, improper fractions and whole numbers. Now here what they are asking, you have to write reciprocal of these numbers and you have to classify whether it is proper fraction or improper fraction, whole numbers. Now I will do one and show you. Then remaining one you can do it as a homework. Now second main. Now first one what did they give? 3 by 7. Now first question what did they ask? They told to write reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Now 3 by 7 is a fraction. If you do reciprocal of 3 by 7, what it becomes? It becomes 7 by 3. So now we have to say whether it is improper fraction or proper fraction or whole number. I have already told you what is proper fraction and improper fraction. Proper fraction means what? Numerator will be less and denominator will be more. Improper fraction means numerator will be bigger, denominator will be smaller. So 7 by 3, you see, 7 is big and 3 is small. So it becomes improper fraction. Yes. Now suppose, now second one, 5 by 8 you can do it as a homework. 9 by 7 you can do homework. 6 by 5 you can do homework. 12 by 7 also you can do homework. Now 1 by 8 I will just explain. That is sixth one. 1 by 8 is equal to. Now reciprocal how much? 8 by 1. That is nothing but 8. Now is 8 which it becomes under whole number. So remaining ones in second main you can do it as a homework. Now let us go to third main. Now in third main what they are telling, find 7 by 3 divided by 2. Now suppose here third main, first one we are taking 7 by 3 divided by 2. You see here 7 by 3 is there, 2 is there. We can write this as 2 by 1 also. So 7 by 3 divided by 2 by 1, that is equal to 7 by 3. Division becomes into. This 2 by 1 reciprocal how much? 1 by 2. So 7 into 1, 7 by 3 2s are 6. So answer is 7 by 6. Now remaining one in third main, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, you can do it as a homework. Okay. Now fourth main you see, find 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Now how can you write it as 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. That is equal to 2 by 5 into 1 by 2 reciprocal what? 2 by 1. That is equal to 2 into 2 how much? 4 divided by 5. So answer is 4 by 5. Now second one you take. 4 divided by 9 divided by 2 by 3. 4 by 9 division means into 2 by 3 reciprocal 3 by 2. 3 4s are 12 divided by 2 9s are 18. This 12 and 18 it goes in second table. Yes, 2 6 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12. So in 3 table 3 2 6, 3 3 is 9. So answer is 2 by 3. So remaining problems you can do it as a homework. Okay, regarding 2.5 we shall see in the next class. Thank you students.